Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As most of you know, me, my boyfriend, and our dog Luna moved into a new 2-bedroom apartment in Fort Worth, Texas. We really love it out here. We are loving this apartment. So without further ado, let's get into this apartment tour. As soon as you walk into our apartment, you can see our dining table and our living room area. I would say out of all of the rooms in the house, we definitely spend the most time here in the living room. It's the most comfortable and cozy room in the house. We did purchase our couch from Costco and it does have some pretty unique features. This part of the couch right here does separate so you can move it around. This extra part does have storage right here, which has been really useful to store extra blankets, pillows, stuff like that. Inside the cushions of the couch, you also have these little buttons right here that you can push and it kicks out this bottom section. Makes the couch a little bit more like a recliner with this part kicked out. Above the couch, I really wanted to do something with this wall. So I found this world map canvas set and I just love it. I think it looks great above the couch. We are also thinking of getting a coffee table or something to go in this section right here. We just haven't found anything yet that we absolutely love. However, across from the couch, we do have our TV and we really do enjoy watching movies while we eat dinner. So what Eric and I usually do is we set up these little TV trays that we eat on, and then we can watch a movie or a TV show while we eat dinner. Next to the TV, we do have a bed for Miss Luna, and then we do have our robot vacuum cleaner right here, which with dog hair, yes, dog hair from you, Miss Luna, has been an absolute lifesaver. And then in the corner, we put this full-length mirror that was a Christmas present from Eric. And next to the mirror, I do have a shoe rack. Luna, you just keep wanting to get in the video, huh? I'm trying to show everybody the apartment. Across from our living room and dining room, we have our kitchen, which we both absolutely love. One of my favorite things to do in our new kitchen is to cook some of our favorite HelloFresh meals. And I would like to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. All of the meals that we have made with HelloFresh have been fantastic. I feel like people always wonder if I actually use the meal service outside of my sponsors, and the answer is yes. Our fridge is consistently packed with HelloFresh meals. A few of the reasons why I love HelloFresh and have continuously used them is because they make it really easy to maintain your goals and take control over your food choices through their 50 weekly menu and market items and a wide variety of food options that you can choose from. HelloFresh's recipes are also really delicious. I have not made a single meal from HelloFresh yet that I have not enjoyed. I also love how all of the meals come with these really easy to follow recipe cards, and I save them for future use. With HelloFresh, the produce gets from the farm to your doorstep in under a week for peak freshness. HelloFresh really does help you save time so you're not taking as many trips to the grocery store, and even at full price, their pre-portioned ingredients mean you don't waste money on excess food. We love HelloFresh and I know that you all will too, so make sure that you all go to HelloFresh.com and use code Julia16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this portion of my video, and now let's get back to the apartment tour. One of my favorite features of this apartment kitchen is definitely this center island. This whole area behind me is just so nice for cooking, chopping vegetables, meal prepping, and just really gives us a lot more space to work in the kitchen. And then we have 2 bar stool chairs that we've just put on the other side of the island. It's the perfect place to sit and eat or just hang out. Anything that I can find links for in this apartment tour, I will go ahead and put in the description box below. So if there's anything throughout this apartment tour that you like and want to see, if you can try to find online, look at my description box below to see if I have a link for it. As you all know, I do collect magnets from everywhere I travel to, so I have all of those on our fridge. And then just moving all along, we have all of our appliances. So we have our oven and stove right here with the microwave on top. We do have some salt and pepper over here with our knife set and an air fryer. This sink is a lot bigger than at our old place, which is really nice. I also feel like in this kitchen we have so much storage space. We have all of these different drawers and compartments around the oven and above it as well, so we can keep like cookbooks in here and different oils, and in here we have all of our like vitamins and some medications. And then above all of the pantries in the kitchen, we have this beautiful greenery that my friend Randy set up for us when we first moved in. Over on this side of the kitchen, this is where we have some other stuff organized. I personally love having these containers for oatmeal, rice, and cereal. Over here, I have my lovely Keurig, a toaster, some coffee, hot chocolate, and a milk frother. And this can actually be used to mix any drink. I personally love to use this to mix different things into my water. Above all of that is where we keep all of our dishes and glasses and cups. I also love having this really big pantry in our kitchen. I feel like we totally lucked out with this. We really do have so much space in here to organize everything. It has been really nice having this large pantry, especially right next to the kitchen, because if we need something, we can just grab it from here and immediately start cooking with it. To the right of the kitchen is probably one of my favorite areas of the apartment. We have turned this area into Luna's little section. At the bottom, we have Luna's mat, which has her water and food bowl. In this corner, we have her toy basket. She frequently does go in here and grab a bunch of toys and then just usually leaves them all across the house. And then up here, we do just have some random things. Like in this jar, we do have some treats for her. And I like to keep all of her bandanas in this little basket. We have some of her bathroom bags back here. These are from when Eric and I went to Galveston, Texas, and we took Luna with us. This is her as a puppy. And then I do have to give a shout out and thank one of my subscribers, Adam, for sending us this beautiful housewarming gift. This top section, we have some more of Luna's treats and her brushes and some of her medication. At the very top, we have a framed photo of Eric and Luna when she was a puppy. This really pretty family sign and this moon shelf that my sister gave us. So that is Luna's little section of our apartment. I forgot to show you guys down here. So we have these doors that opened up for our laundry. We do have an in-unit washer and dryer, which is awesome. And this shelf on top for just some random storage where we keep detergent and extra sheets and towels. Next to the laundry area, we do have our guest bathroom, and this is nice because it does have a full shower as well as bath. And yeah, it's just your average regular bathroom. I do really like how both bathrooms in our house have this beautiful granite countertop as well as plenty of storage underneath as well. I feel like this apartment is definitely not lacking in storage, which is awesome and rare to find. Across from the bathroom, we have our second bedroom, which we have turned into an office. This is where my desk is. I have a plant and a plane next to my monitor, and then I have some artwork to look at for inspiration above all of my computers and stuff. I have my laptop right here with a monitor, and then I have my bookshelf with just a bunch of different stuff over here. I really, really love my office space. And then behind my desk, we have Eric's. He has all of his stuff set up over here. Now moving back towards the center of the apartment. Next to our door, we have a key ring where we put all of our keys as well as Luna's harness and her leash. And then right below that, we have a shoe rack. Next to our shoe rack, we have our lovely wine fridge. This is seriously one of our favorite things in the world. We love this fridge. We keep a lot of different beverages in here like water, wine, protein shakes, you name it. And then directly above that, we have this beautiful mirror. And to the left, we have another storage closet. And we use this for multiple different like cleaning supplies as well as larger coats and just random things to go on top. And now we are moving into our bedroom, which I will tell you all right now, this room is not even close to being done or where we want it to be yet. In the center of our room, we have a queen size bed with the queen herself on our bed today. In this apartment, the blinds honestly keep barely any light out. So in the morning, we were waking up as soon as the sun was coming up. So our quick solution was we found these blackout curtains from Target that we just pinned to the wall. And I am definitely in search of something that is more aesthetically pleasing. So I'm probably gonna try to find some curtain rods and hang some probably blackout curtains above that will match our bed frame. And then I found these the other day that I really want to hang up, and I'm debating if I want them to go on this wall right here or above the bed. Personally, I'm kind of feeling like they should go on this wall, and then I will find something else to go above our bed. Across from our bed, we do have our dresser with our TV. On my nightstand next to the bed, I just have some photos, a candle, and this is actually a clock. We have our laundry baskets, and above that I do have this photo frame of Eric and I that just has multiple different pictures that we've taken together over the years. To be 100% authentic with you guys, I'm gonna show you our bathroom. I have stuff everywhere and really need to clean it. Here is our bathroom. It is pretty much exactly the same as the guest bathroom. So we have like our toothbrush and everything over here. I have a bunch of stuff over here that I obviously need to clean up. But yeah, it's just a pretty average bathroom. I really like it. Shower's nice. Oh, and then I also have this picture right here that I took in St. Thomas. However, I do love the amount of storage that we have in this bathroom. We have all of these different shelves to put our stuff in. Moving right along, we are going to head into our closet. This is our walk-in closet. I would say that overall we are really happy with this apartment, and there are more things that I want to do with it as time goes on. For example, kind of like revamp our bedroom, do some more stuff with that. So maybe as I continue to decorate that, I'll film like a bedroom transformation or something like that. But I did want to get to some of these questions that you all asked me on Instagram that I might not have been able to answer or show you quite yet with this apartment tour. What kind of amenities does your apartment offer? I love hearing what different places have. So I would say that my favorite amenities that this apartment offers, one being the pool, which I'm actually about to go hang out with my friend at the pool. I haven't gone in the water yet because it's not quite warm enough, but I think the pool is absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to use it all the time this summer. And the pool also does have a fire pit with grills, so I just think that is going to be really fun for this summer. Another apartment amenity that we use all the time is the gym. Being able to walk to the gym and use that pretty much on a daily basis has been so convenient and really nice. We also have a dog washing station here. We haven't used that yet, but it is available if we need to, which I think is really cool. It just goes to show how dog friendly this apartment complex is. I don't know if this is considered an amenity, but I do really like it. Right in our apartment complex, there is this, I guess it's like a pond or a lake you could call it, but it is very nice to take Luna out and just walk her around. Even though I wouldn't let her swim in it, it's still very nice and it's pretty to look at. We haven't used it yet, but this apartment does also have a clubhouse that you can rent out for parties and guests and different fun things to do. Oh, and there also is a movie theater, which we haven't used yet, but I think one day we definitely will. How do you like sharing an office with Eric? So honestly, sharing an office with Eric is perfectly fine. We're definitely used to it. We have always shared office space since he has been at work from home. And honestly, I kind of edit everywhere. So like sometimes I'll edit in the office, sometimes I'll edit out here on the couch, and then other times I'll edit in our bedroom or by the kitchen. So I'm kind of like sporadic, but we've never had an issue sharing office space. If you don't mind, how much is rent? So right now we are paying a little bit over $2,000 for a 2-bedroom apartment, and that does include pet rent, but it does not include utilities or power, stuff like that. Where do you store items like Christmas decorations? Oh, I forgot to show this to you guys. I will go film something real quick and do it as an overlay, but we have this storage closet in the office where we are just kind of keeping random stuff for now, like Christmas decorations and just a bunch of other stuff. What is your most favorite thing about the apartment? I would definitely say the lighting. I feel like even on a cloudy day, it always feels bright in here because we have tons of lights throughout the apartment, and then we also have a lot of windows as well. So I just kind of feel like it always feels nice and bright in here. Do you have an updated PO box address, or is it still the same? I have updated my PO box, so I will make sure that I put the address to it in the description box below for this video and all of my other videos as well. What is your new cozy spot? I would definitely say the couch. Honestly, I love our couch and I spend a lot of time on here. So I would say that the couch is definitely my new cozy spot. Are there any hidden gems in the apartment? I'm not sure if I would consider this like a hidden gem, but I love Luna's little section. I think originally that area was meant to be like a place to put a computer or to work, but I just love that we were able to turn it into her little area. So we have space for all of her stuff and it doesn't feel crowded with all of our belongings. And she definitely likes going over there. I think that she definitely knows that that space is hers. So I would say, I don't know if that's like a hidden gem, but it's definitely something that we transformed about our apartment into exactly what we wanted it to be. How many square feet, and is the price better than the last one? So I need to look and see exactly how much square footage we have here, but I do believe that this apartment has more than the condo that we were in before, but the price here is a little bit more expensive. Would you rather be in a house or an apartment? Honestly, I'm not sure, because to be quite honest, this apartment feels more like a house to me than an apartment. It just kind of feels like a smaller house, but I really, really enjoy it. And I think that for this stage in our lives that we're at, this is exactly where we're meant to be. And eventually we will find a house when the time is right for us. Show Luna's bed quarters, please. So like I showed y'all earlier, she does have a bed right here, and then she has a bed right over here in our room on this side of our bed, and then obviously she treats our bed as hers as well. And then Luna also has another bed in our office right here where she likes to stare out this little window. Do you have a park near the apartment for Luna? Love your content. Thank you so much. So there actually is an apartment, there actually is a park that is across the street from us. However, I don't really take Luna there because there's a lot of little kids and I don't know how other parents feel around dogs, so I just wouldn't want to take Luna over there and, you know, I don't know, just like get in the way of the kids. But there is an area that is by the pool, which is not frequently used, where I do throw the frisbee for her and we get to play. So she definitely still gets a lot of exercise, even being here in an apartment. How far is your new apartment from DFW Airport, and how long did it take you from your other apartment? So I want to say our other apartment was about a 15 to 20 minute drive from the airport, and this one is anywhere from like 20 to 35 minutes depending on traffic. So it's really not that big of a difference. I feel like that is pretty much it for this apartment tour. If you have any other questions about the apartment or the amenities, or if you have any other like apartment style videos that you want me to make, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, a really big shout out and thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I hope that you all are having a fabulous week. Thank you again for watching. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'd love to see you again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.